Hello families, welcome back. My name is Miss Babette and I'm going to show you a couple different activities to do with your children that are cheap, easy, and it will teach your children, they'll learn. So, let me show you this. This is from the other video. It turned out so cute. I used leftover tissue paper from Christmas, a paper plate with a hole cut, and a leftover bow. So cute. And again, this helps with fine motor skills. It helps with lots of colors. It'll help your children learn a lot. So look at that video and check it out. So cute. It turned out awesome. So now we're going to make a snowman, and we're going to use a potato. And something to notice too about this potato, it's round and it's kind of long this way but short this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it this way so that my snowman is kind of fat. So here we go. And of course you want to do this part for your children. Let me get my art towel. Don't worry about this, you guys. It's actually clean. I just use it for art. I'm going to dry the potato because what we're going to do is we're going to dip it into white paint from the dollar store. I love the dollar store, y'all. Almost all my stuff comes from the dollar store. Now I'm going to use blue paper. There it is. Because blue should show up real good. And here's the paint. Move the knife. Just put a little paint. This is acrylic paint. Yeah, acrylic paint. It's from the Dollar Tree. So what you're going to do is when you have your children do this, of course, you're going to cut the potato in half, and you're going to put the paint on the paper plate or whatever you want to put the paint on. And then you're going to let them just do whatever they want with this. But I wonder if I should, you know what you could use too? You guys, I didn't even think about this. You could use toothpicks to put in the top. Let me see. I think I have some. Yeah, I do. Oh, this chair is squeaky. Sorry, you guys. So you could put if you want to. You don't have to, but it might save a little bit of mess. So you just let them roll it around in the, see how it made the potato white? And awesome, right? They're gonna enjoy doing this. Now if you want to use different size potatoes, you could. Because you know a lot of snowmen are small, medium, and large. So there's one snowman. I'm just gonna do one. But that's it. It's so simple. And then if you want to, you can use a marker to draw the arms. But I have paper here that I'm gonna cut out an orange nose. I just cut out a triangle. I'm gonna cut the top of the triangle off like that. And we don't need glue, because guess what? The paint is wet. And I'm gonna use black to make a hat. You can cut all these out in advance and just give them to the kids. Put a whole bunch in a bowl and let the kids decide on what they want to use and how they want to use it. Some children don't want hats. Some children don't want arms. Just cut all these out in advance and let them work on it. See how they want to do it. Give them markers and construction paper, scissors. They can do all their own. But just give them the supplies and let them figure out how they want to do it. So there's a snowman. Let me see. Do I have a marker yet? Draw 2 arms. I would put buttons on there. I have some buttons. Or you can use a marker. I don't know if any of these buttons are small enough or flat enough. Here's a small flat one. That there. The paint's almost dry. Put that there. I get all this stuff from garage sales, y'all. I'm a real teacher. I got everything. Everything. So you can put buttons on there for him. You can use buttons for his eyes, or you can use a marker. You can do whatever you want to do, but just put some stuff out for the kids so that they'll know that they can just do whatever they want. They can create their own snowman. They can't go outside. If they can't go outside, this is a good activity for them to do inside. So there's the snowman. Let me put that to the side. I've got one more activity that I want to show you. This is a cutting activity. And let's see, I can use this orange paper. Let's see. So this cutting, of course, we already know that cutting with scissors teaches fine motor, makes the children's finger muscles strong so they can hold the pencil, start writing their names, they can start buttoning their buttons on their clothes, things like that. I have some stickers here, again from the dollar store, and I'm gonna put one at the top. Just like that. Just stuck it at the top. And I will give a variety of scissors when it comes time. I've got the zigzag scissors, the smaller scissors with the pointed tips, the rounded tips. And then, because then that'll help them too, because then they can get comfortable with whichever pair they feel comfortable for them. And then also, like, this activity teaches attention span, hand and eye coordination, all kinds of different stuff. Let me show you. Can you see? And families, this is good for if you've got something to do. If you're cooking dinner, all these activities are really, if you're cooking dinner, or if you are, if you got something to do on the computer, if you're in school, online school, and you need something to keep the kids busy, keep your children busy, there's a good cutting activity right there. Let's see another one. You could put any sticker at the top, and that just shows them that that's where they're supposed to stop with their cutting activity. Now, let me show you this one. If they're smaller children, no, this will be for the smaller children, this will be for the bigger children, your older children, 3, 4, and 5-year-olds. This one will be for younger children. And I say that because for younger children, it's hard for them to hold paper, especially if it's long paper and cut at the same time. So shorter paper for toddlers is best. See how short this is compared to this long one for the preschool age children. And then just teach them to stop. If you want some extra cutting, like if you want to teach your children how to hold the scissors and be able to cut, let me know, because I have a lot of different activities for that. If they are too small, like 2-year-olds, you really want to start them out ripping paper, just tearing paper, just ripping paper up like this. They can do newspaper, sales papers, construction paper, junk mail. Let them tear up paper like this, because that helps to build their fine motor skills when they're small. And then once they get a little bit older, they can start using the scissors. So yeah, that's a good cutting activity. If you want to see more, let me know. Put it down in the comments, and I will be sure to post more. Also working with Play-Doh. If you haven't seen my Play-Doh recipe yet, check that out, the Play-Doh recipe video, because that helps with fine motor skills too. It's all about building their fine motors, you guys. Building up these finger muscles so they can start to learn how to hold that pencil correctly. Let's see what else. I think that was it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate everybody. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments, suggestions, some tips and ideas if you have any. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, my name is Miss Babette, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.